In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to other workbooks in Microsoft Excel. When working with multiple Excel files, connecting one workbook to another can save time, reduce errors, and keep your data consistent. By linking workbooks, you can pull information from one file into another automatically, which is very useful for creating consolidated reports, tracking updates, or comparing datasets across different spreadsheets. To start, open the workbook where you want the data to appear. Make sure the other workbook you want to connect to is also accessible on your computer. Begin by selecting the cell in your active workbook where you want the linked data to show up. Type an equal sign to start a formula, which tells Excel that you are referencing data. Next, switch to the workbook that contains the information you want to link. Press Alt, then click on the specific cell or range you want to reference. Excel will automatically generate a formula that includes the workbook name, sheet name, and cell reference. Press Enter, and you will see the value from the other workbook displayed in your active sheet. If the source workbook is open, any changes made there will update immediately in your current workbook. If the source workbook is closed, Excel will display the last saved value, and it will refresh automatically when you open or update the workbook later. This ensures your data stays accurate even across multiple files. You can also manage your workbook connections through the Data tab. Click on the Data tab, then select Workbook Links. Here, you can view, update, or break links to other workbooks. This is helpful if you move files to a new location or want to confirm all external links in your spreadsheet. By using workbook connections effectively, you can create more dynamic spreadsheets, reduce manual work, and ensure consistency across multiple files. Whether you are consolidating financial data, analyzing reports, or tracking project information, linking workbooks provides a reliable and efficient solution. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.